Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 7th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So gold ended up making a higher low, and just kept on trending up. I've been saying for more than a week now that if this continues to make impulsive movement, then it is likely going to go up and make new highs. I was also saying yesterday that it looks like it potentially should go down before it goes up. But if you pay attention to my videos, often I'll say, okay, it looks like it's going to go down, but I would prefer not to take this trade because it's very counter trend and it could always just keep going up. And that's why this is a very good example of why I would not have tried to sort that because all it did was make a higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. It just kept on trending up. The trend is your friend. If your higher roadmap time frame is not is telling you that the market's up by making higher highs, higher lows, then you should be doing nothing but looking for longs on shorter time frames. Now, if we go up to the 78 or the 88% and break starts into the downside, I would become bearish. Otherwise, I would be doing nothing right now but looking for longs in an uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.